Okay, sorry, this probably won't be that awesome, but I just took my walking foot off so I can show you. Before you start, you have this thingamabobber that is tightened into here that you snap your feet into. So you loosen this screw right here and you pop that out, do away with it, and you get your walking foot. Mine's just a generic China cheapy thing. Make sure your foot is up. Start from behind. This white piece is going to slide right over the screw. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. But at the same time, this white arm needs to be on, that is the needle screw. Okay, I got it. Now, I can't do this right now since I'm one-handed, but the only thing that you should tighten now will be that first screw that you see on the left of the walking foot. Tighten that as tight as you can, and hang on, and I will be right back after I do that. Okay, so it's on. That little fork arm is on the needle screw bar, and the one piece here, there we go, that arm is on the screw for the foot. I might have not tightened it enough, but then you obviously thread your needle, run your thread down through it, pull it back. When you're ready to sew, drop it down, it gets tight. Yeah, I need to tighten mine. And you should clear it. Yeah, I messed mine up. But anyway, that's how you install it. And mine's a universal foot. I have that sewing machine, and it also worked on my other brother and my mom's fan. So, look at that.